Hey, what's up all you ClappedCuckians? It's your guy ClappedCuck here, back again with another food review. I'm really excited for this one, because today we're going to be trying Domino's pizza. Why are you looking at me like that? Okay, anyways, so I've had this before. That's why it's half eaten, but let's give it a go. I'm obviously not going to be eating this entire pizza. I'm going to save some. I'm going to have this little slice. I might have another one if I like it. But yeah. My compliments to the chef. Hoppity boopy jalapeno, as I like to say. But another thing I like to say is, what a wise man once told me. He said, George, that's my name. Remember this, always and forever with your life. I love it when you call me Fortnite Pizza. And like from that day on, I've just always went by that rule. To always love it when someone calls you Fortnite Pizza. So that's a good story for all of you young ones that are watching the video. And yeah. Very spicy jalapeno, tasty good. This is just a pepperoni pizza. I think that it's tasty. It tastes good. It's very tasteful. The taste of it is great. And my taste buds are really enjoying this. My taste buds are enjoying the taste of this tasty pizza. Yummy! One second, let me just put this away. And the crust is very thick and warm. Like my love and affection for all you subscribers. Have a good day. But anyways, yeah, that's the food review. I think you've seen this trick before.